Widely scattered for the second half of our Sunday, and then more moving in on our Monday, periodically through the morning and then again by the evening. Then maybe just some spotty rain chances throughout the rest of the week. It will be a more summer-like pattern setting up. Not going to be super hot and humid, but we're generally going to have a flow out of the south and west, primarily starting tomorrow, taking us through the rest of the week. So that pumps in more moisture, elevates the dew points. They're back into the 70s tomorrow afternoon, and then will be that way for the rest of the week. So we're putting that muggy scale at the, let's see, a 4 out of 5 here, all the muggies, because the dew points will probably be hovering right around 70 degrees. And again, not going to be super hot. Temps all week are going to be near the mid 80s, but when dew points are elevated, it'll be a touch on the muggy side. Now, when we have this moisture building in, primarily in the overnight hours, we could get some patchy fog early tomorrow morning. Not going to lower visibility all that much, but you may run into a few patches out there if you got any plans super early on a Sunday. But the daylight hours for the first half of Sunday look dry, look nice, look pleasant. We'll just have to look towards the evening for some of those showers to move in. Rain expected for parts of northern Mexico and southern Texas out of the potential tropical cyclone 4. This thing is struggling to get any sort of tropical development. You look on the satellite and radar, there isn't much in the way of any sort of tropical rains. There'll be some building in to southern Texas there in the next 24 to 48 hours. Elsewhere in the tropics, things still remaining quiet, and we're kind of taking advantage of that and enjoying that. But that could change as we continue to move into peak hurricane season. We'll watch this shower and thunderstorm cluster off the west coast of Africa over the next 5 days. Still a low chance of development. It's been unusually quiet for a good chunk of time, 48 days to be exact, between about July 4th and now. Since 1995, that ranks one of the longest stretches without a named system. What was another year that had a stretch that long, if not longer? 1999. But on August 18th, 1999, you know what named storm developed? Florence. Or not Florence. What was it? Floyd. Thank you, John. Because we were in New Jersey when that rained. Yeah, that's one we remember when we were younger. Yeah, and we remember that one here locally across Hampton Road. So don't tune out peak hurricane season just because it's quiet right now. Just because it's quiet right now means just that. Evening showers tomorrow as the humidity